These dips are the big boys selling. Don't be fooled, these big day dips are the big boys dumping. This will continue, as some of you already know. Retail would be very upset if they knew how to read. You think they're dumping? Like a single-family home construction site donating materials to the homeless? Or is this more chemical company dumping poison in the Mississippi River type of day? The beatings will continue until morale improves. So if we don't sell and keep buying, they have to buy back higher? Cool. Them and their damn computers. Bulls all around. Every little dip will be bought. Money isn't real, fairy dust. Big boys are the ones pushing the graphs showing that we are about to crash. Why would they want to do that? Think hard. IMG emote T52TH528882. Jesus I used to think this sub was at rock bottom, but this post proves we're not. If you look at current option positions, the majority is now above current price. Hedge funds are more bullish than they are bearish. 420.69 is not a meme. This post are the dumb bois talking. Buy when it raises and sell when it falls. Do it early, then you are a financial genius. Do it a bit later and you are a regard in WSB Club. Not doing it at all, then you are the Oracle of Omaha. Fugazi. You don't know shit, regard lol. Buying puts because this is the end backquote, you are here backquote. Market bounces harder than Pamela Anderson saving someone from drowning. Bears become custodians of the CAHK behind Wendy's. It's not a conspiracy, it's bond yields and fund rebalancing. We knew this already. Lol, any dip bears go, big boys are selling, retail is fucked. Thanks, I'm covering my shorts today, middle finger. Why is this post being upvoted? It's just some random dude making up theories. The smart guys are buying. All in calls, boys. WSB is bearish. Big dump incoming. My body is ready. I will say buy the dips. Buy with everything you got. Let the big boys dump. They will buy it back and again. Nvidia 200-2024. What if I told you the big boys trade in blocks that are negotiated on a dark pool exchange, and the action we get during the day is mostly algos buying and selling and triggered by a multitude of different variables? Retail gonna be left holding the bags just like all other times. Why do you think Goldman's was telling you FANG was at 6-year lows? One last liquidity trap. Wow, what a great post. Any other shower thoughts for us, or is this all your crystal ball let you see? They're going to dump in December too for tax loss harvesting. I'm putting into HISA and then one-time buying in January. You can just sell to nobody. If someone is selling, someone else is buying. The amount of volume being sold out there can't be picked up by retail alone. Winter coming. Flu and all that bad stuff keeping people home and sad. But tech, cloud, internet payments, iHealth will gain again, one upward trend. Heavy volume down, low volume up. This is the way. I am buying back. None of us have any idea who transacted or why. I don't get it. When stocks are selling, then everyone rushes to bonds. When bonds are selling, then shouldn't everyone rush to stocks? Why do stocks also sell off in the latter case? It's for sure retail selling so funds can load for Q4 returns. Retail gets spooked and panic sells LMAO. Big bois have been selling since August, in case you don't know. If I didn't feel bullish before, posts like this sure make me feel bullish AF again. Makes me feel like smart people are actually buying this dip before November and dec come. Because most this pages thinks we are going down based on the big boys. Big boys love when you think you know fuck about dick. When will the big boys start buying back? Like you know anything. They have to sell by regulation. The amount of money went from stock to bond market is insane. And they'll continue to sell so long as keeps raising interest rates. Now is the time to DCA for long hold calls. It's stop hunting. From aliens. The aliens from Beta Centauri. I suggest go long on aluminum foil to protect our brains. Party is over. Most have sold already. Big funds usually slowly exit on the melt-ups. The continuous red is more likely share accumulation and shaking out retail. Fuck your puts. Fuck your calls. Jay Powell has you by the balls. It's happening. Fasten your seatbelt until retail works it out and the stampede to the exits happen. And then we see who's swimming naked. Bring on the MySPX short is coming good. OMG. It's painfully obvious that the crash is almost here. 2 days for the next week until the 10 comes and people really start to panic. At that point it's all over. People are about to lose everything and no one seems to care. This is very scary stuff. All this bearish talk confirms multiple big Shrek dildos this week. I am one of the big boys. Most of the big boys are not trying to act optimally. They are just trying to keep their cushy jobs. Not the same goals. Who is driving the Fiat? I did buy a few today. I'm hoping I'm early. I expect it to dump a little bit more, then I'll get in more. We are basically at the 52-week low. Wow, the big boys. So smart. As a small boy, I must try to guess what the big boys do and then do the same before them. Fuck off. I'm holding forever no matter what. Never bet against America. If you regards only found the right people that spit truth on YouTube, instead of perma bulls, you'd have been short already. People laugh at TA because they swear it doesn't work. The bears are laughing now. And we will drink your tears for months and maybe years to come. Ah, so refreshing. Keep buying calls please. Yummy. And when it goes up 20 it's the big boys buying. What's your point? Sell. The curve of all curves. So you're saying eat up dumpies for dinner? Cash gang. And they have plenty to sell. Enjoy the ride. Who's the big boys? Am I one of them? Wow, somebody should give your gold medal. And? Okay. Catching those crumbs with cheap puts. Wow, so when market go red that mean da people dat own da most stock sell stock. Wow, derp. Found what I'm doing tonight. About time I had some quality dip to go with these chips. A big boy took a dump on my wife's chest last night, haha. I'm already down nearly 80. 390 by the 1st of November is putting things lightly tbh. Tit they buy back in the after market and dump again. Something I wish I knew starting June 20th, don't fight the Fed. Lasagna. What about today's volume indicates big boys selling? We are still seeing summer volume. I doubt the big boys are dumping 19-cent a share stocks. Or even messing with them at all. These dips are over recession, inflation, and interest rate increases. Buying Marie more pain. Until it doesn't, then we'll be fine. Nah. Little boys selling. Big boys putting their pants on and snapping up blue chip companies at bargain prices. If they were dumping we would be having 3-5 down days. Smart money dumps into strength, not lows. Winking face. I'm buying.